Good morning, you guys. We are back for another room makeover, and today it will be my bedroom. Now, I have already made this space over twice actually on my channel, but if I am still not happy with a room, I will just do it again. So that's what we're doing today. While I did like the way the room turned out, it just was not as moody as I would like. So my goal for this room is to give it more character, give it more charm, and bring in a little bit more of a moody feel that I really like. One of the things I did change in the room previously was the paint color, and I did talk in that video about not really loving it, and ultimately I just didn't. It had kind of a salmon-y undertone in person that I just could not get past. So the first thing that has to be done is to change the color. It is now a moody, kind of green, undertoned, pebbly color, and I just think it suits my design style so much more, and you guys know that I love a little bit of moodiness in a room. So now that the color is changed, I feel like we have a new canvas to work with, so we're gonna get started on this room. I purchased a new TV for in here so that I can move this TV to the guest room. The first thing I'm going to do is mount this TV.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, when I give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined.
Alright, I'm going to add the elastic to the frame for the TV, and then we're gonna see if it fits. This is going to be a little bit tricky because there's really no wiggle room. I don't know if I already said it, but this TV really doesn't have a bezel, which is the kind of like the frame around the actual screen. So there's really like no room for mistake. So if I did not cut this like perfectly, it is not going to fit. So I'm gonna quick do a dry fit to see if it looks right, and then we'll get this elastic on, or I'm gonna have to start over. Success! All right, we're good. We're gonna get this elastic on, get it on the TV, and that will be done.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Some love, lonesome love, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors.
So here is what the TV looks like with the frame on it. If you want to learn how to do this, I have a DIY, and I'll leave a link to that in my description box. My next project for this space was to frame out these windows because there's currently no frames or casing around them. If you've seen my videos, then you have probably seen me do this many times, but I just think it finishes off the windows and looks much nicer.
Everybody has their job. terrified, getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there's more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired, running for a long time. My feet got blisters, but maybe I belong if I love a little harder.
So here is the first window completed. It is clamped because I did also use wood glue. I do have to move over to the other side to make sure I get that one finished, and then that will be it for the night. I decided to paint the frames a creamy white just to really highlight them. I think they came out beautifully.
If I love all the ways the world puts me to the test, if I embrace every fall, learn to grow and keep myself tall.
Good morning, you guys. It has been a while since I've checked in. The painting of the new window frames and fixing the paint on the wall where I got paint that I shouldn't have did take a little bit. So we're ready to get the curtains up, and the curtains that I have are absolutely stunning. 2 pages very generously let me pick out curtains for this project, and they are without a doubt the most stunning curtains I have ever seen. I am so excited to get these up because I feel like they're going to add so much moodiness and beautiful drama to this space. So let's start working on getting those curtains hung. I am putting that curtain rod all the way up towards the ceiling for a really dramatic effect in the room, and when you hang your rod higher, it gives the illusion of a higher ceiling. So let's get these curtains up and see what it does for this space.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
We are at the final day of this makeover, so I'm just going to add some finishing touches, style the space, and then we will be done.
I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
While I thought the bedroom was beautiful before, it was lacking some of that moody drama that I gravitate towards, so I think this new look fits me better.